One of the favorite questions which is asked in interview is, in a parent-child relationship, how does the constructor fire? So let me explain you what does this question actually mean. So let's first understand, what exactly the interviewer is asking and what is his thought process behind this question. What he wants to ask is that you have a parent class, something like this, called as CLS parent here, and it has a simple constructor called as CLS parent. Okay, and inside the constructor, what I'm doing is I'm putting a simple console.writeLine saying, hey, this is a parent class. Okay, now this CLS parent is inherited further by a simple class called as CLS child. So the CLS child class inherits the CLS parent, and inside the CLS child I am again having a constructor of the CLS child, and I'm just putting a simple sentence over here called as console.writeLine, hey, this is child class. Now the question what the interviewer is asking is that if I create the object of CLS child, will the child constructor fire first or will the parent constructor fire first? So what we'll do is, let's go ahead and create the object of CLS child. So what I'm doing is I'm creating the object of CLS child here, and I'm just holding the console by using the read line. So let's see, let's run this application and let's see that if the child class fires first or if the parent class fires first. So let me run this. So it will take some time to run. So that's it. So you can see that over here the parent class has fired first, right, and the child class has fired later. Right, so let me just again put a debug point so to ensure that we are on the right direction. So let me just put a debug point here and let me run this. Now if I run this, you will see that the first constructor which fires is of this parent. So you can see that my debug point has gone in the parent first. Let me do F11, and my second debug point actually goes to my CLS child. So you can see that now the CLS child constructor has fired. So in other words, to answer that question in a simple manner, in a parent-child relationship, if you have two constructors and if you create the object of the child class, first the parent class will fire, the constructor of the parent class will fire, and after that the constructor of the child class will fire.